In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this stunning GSAP gallery in Elementor. Take a look at the gallery on the screen. Instead of a traditional image grid, this layout creates a dynamic and interactive showcase that instantly grabs attention. As visitors move their mouse across the gallery, the images smoothly animate and respond with beautiful hover effects, creating a premium browsing experience. This type of gallery is perfect for portfolios, photography websites. The best part is that you can build everything directly inside Elementor without writing a single line of code. Download the plugin from GitHub using the link in the video description. Once the zip file is downloaded, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and Add New. Click Upload Plugin, select the zip file, and install it. Now let's build the gallery. Open any page with Elementor. Search for Havra in the widget panel. Drag the widget onto your page. Right away, you'll notice that some demo images are already loaded. This gives you an instant preview of how the gallery will look before adding your own content. Under gallery items, you can add as many images as you want. You can remove items, reorder them with drag and drop, and update them anytime. Each gallery item includes an image, title, and optional link. Use titles when you want to display captions over your images. Add links if you want visitors to open a portfolio page, product page, or any custom URL. Under Gallery Items, you'll find options to show or hide image titles, control when titles appear, enable image pop-ups, and add entrance animations for the gallery. Now switch to the Style tab. Adjust the grid gap, border radius, and image height to control the gallery layout. Choose Cover or Contain for image fit and adjust the hover transition speed for smoother animations. Overlay settings let you add a gradient over your images, customize the colors and angle, and control the overlay opacity for both normal and hover states. Finally, customize the title with your preferred colors, typography, background, and spacing. From the title settings, you can customize the text style and even add special effects to make your titles more eye-catching. Now let's add a few new images and give them some titles. Once you're done, click Update and preview the page on the front end. As you can see, the gallery comes to life with smooth hover animations and interactive effects, creating a modern and engaging experience for your visitors. Another great feature is that the gallery is fully responsive, so it looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices without any extra adjustments. And that's it. You now know how to create a beautiful animated bento gallery in Elementor using the Hover Up plugin. Experiment with different layouts, overlays, and hover effects to create a gallery that matches your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.